everyone, this is Rina from elinpack. I'm here at Interpack exhibition in Düsseldorf, Germany. This exhibition gathered the latest technology and one-stop package solution from the whole industry. Today, we bring our fully automatic packing machines here for you to have a real look and a full introduction. Here, if your factory used a paper, plastic bag, envelope bag, or kraft paper bag, and you need a large batch capacity production. Meanwhile, your material will produce a lot of dust during production, which affect the workshop environment and hygiene. Then, this is our fully automatic packing machines. This is our popular packing machine. So let me introduce you to you. This is dosing range from 10 kilo to 25 kilo, and the packing speed from 3 bag to 5 bag per minute. Output hourly from 3 ton to 5 ton per hour. The accuracy pass on minus 10 to 30 grams for 25 kilo. So, you see, all we adopt is Siemens controls and OMAC integrated control system for the whole machine. It's fast and has stable performance, total food grade. Okay, so follow me to see the touch screen. Look at the touch screen control panel. You can see the screen is divided into several dependent control sections. The whole machine adopts module unit design. One big unit is divided into several small modules. Every single module can be controlled and tested separately. No need to stop the whole machine. It's very convenient for daily adjustment, maintenance. On the touch screen, you can also direct to input the back parameter and the material information. The machine will automatically adjust the running status according to the data you set. It's very easy to change bag type or different material. Simple operation for new worker as well. Okay, so next we will switch to the next page. We have 3 modes. It can display the full machine work process in real time, such as start, stop, running, cleaning, and reset status. All clear show on the screen. Besides, the next page, we have the fault alarm record function. Once the machine has any abnormal situation, the system will automatically save the alarm record, which helps engineers quickly find out the problem and reduce downtime loss. Okay, our machines adopt hygienic design with excellent dust remove effect. It can effectively collect dust and prevent leaking. It keeps the workshop clean with hygienic stand and also avoid material waste. Now, let's go through each working station step by step. So the first one is our bag magazine. It can store 250 to 300 bags at one time. Automatic bag packing and bag feeder. No need manual frequent bag placing. Perfect for continued production. Second is the filling station with high precision weighing system, accurate filling, no material spilling, and good dust control. The third is the gassing station. It will remove most air inside the bag. After package, little air is left in the bag. The bag strap is necked and tightened. It's easy for stocking, stock, and long-distance transportation, and greatly avoid bag breaking during delivery. So before the sealing, we also have the bag mount cleaning, and then we can do the inner bag sealing and out bag with easy open. The sealing is tight and firm, no air leaking and no material leaking. Now, please follow me. We can go upstairs and we can see the our upper machine. Okay. The structure is designed for easy disassembly and easy cleaning, very convenient for daily maintenance and hygiene management. The whole machine is made of 304 stainless steel, very strong, and fully meet the full and the hygienic requirement, and half open, is clean, PFM, easy for disassemble. And for the main component, we only use the wall framers brand, the SEW motor, Siemens control, Siemens PLC, and also we use the OMAC integrated with the 6-turn, and all electric components adopt Schneider as well. With high stand configuration, the machine runs stable and no service time. In short, this fully automatic big bag packing machine is perfectly suitable for the paper plastic bag, envelope bag, and craft paper bag. Large bag capacity production as well. Especially for dusty working condition, it features high efficiency, high precision, good dust control as well. So, if you are interested in our packing machine or interested in our company, please contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.